Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Box. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to position for the Takers airdrop. Now, the Takers airdrop is one of my most trusted and serious airdrop I'm taking seriously because the airdrop is backed by Dragonfly and Electric Capital. Dragonfly was one of the company that backed Grass, and we all know how well Grass did in their TGE when they listed. So that's why this airdrop should be taken seriously also. And so far they've raised $3 million in funding, and then the airdrop doesn't have much, there's no much tax. It just take you roughly like 2 minutes to position for the airdrop. So now the steps to position quickly are you click on the link. I'm going to drop the link on the description of the video so you can click and join up. You connect your wallet, which is I suggest you use MetaMask. Then because your registration is by connecting your wallet, that's the way you register. And I think your Twitter. Then you connect your X, you mine every 24 hours, you come back to click mine. So there's no tapping or all that. You just click mine once a day and then come back the next 24 hours. Then you join that Discord, you complete this daily quest, and then that's all. So now let's click on the link to take us. So now getting on the site, this is how the site is going to look. Light mining airdrop. So now I'm already logged in. Let me log out so that I can show you how to log in. So now this is how yours will be showing. You also be showing connect wallet up here. And then if you come down here, you also see connect wallet. So now to connect wallet, I'm going to click on connect wallet. Now it's going to show me my wallet connect and all that. I'll select my MetaMask. So I suggest use MetaMask. I think MetaMask is better for this airdrop than Phantom, because I don't really know if anybody's using Phantom, but majority of people are using MetaMask. So we just go ahead and use MetaMask. So now coming there, you will now have to connect with MetaMask. To connect, after connecting, it's going to show you to sign the signature to authorize the site. So it's loading up again. So now this is it. You have to sign light MetaMask mining, verify your identity, signature request, blah 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 blah. And also let me show you something. For example, if you just after clicking, it doesn't bring out the MetaMask doesn't pop up, and then it's showing connecting like the way where my mouse is hovering right now on the back, it's showing connecting like this, and then this MetaMask interface doesn't come up. What you have to do, you just go back to your extension, you click on it, then locate your MetaMask and open the MetaMask manually. When the MetaMask loads up, it will come up this page again. So that's how to do it if yours is not showing. So you click on confirm, and then here you have it is connected. So you can see my wallet address showing here. Now when I go down, you can see my total points I've mined so far. And then node is currently running. That is because the last click I did in the last 24 hours is still running. So I have 9 hours left before I'm eligible to click again. So my 24 hours is not yet up. I have 9 hours left before my 24 hours is over. So that's why you can see it's saying mining will shut down in 9 hours 27 minutes. That's why you can't see any button here. But on yours, because that will be the first time you are coming to the site, you are going to see claim reward here. The button here will be showing active claim reward or activating mining. I've forgotten the language they used, but there will be a button here which you will click on it. When you click on it, it's now going to open your MetaMask again. It will automatically open the MetaMask for you so that you will confirm the transaction, because for you to click your node to start on, you have to confirm transaction online on your wallet, and then every 24 hours you'll be given 24,000 points. So yes, like you can see, this is the one I did January 12th. It's showing, I think they've not yet upgraded it because today is January 15th, and I did one for January 14th yesterday, 13th also. So you can see this activity is showing confirmed here, 0 takers. So like you can see, that's all that's showing me. That is when you click on activate mining, it will perform a transaction for the money to activate. So this is a transaction I did. So now there's something you will also have to do. I think you're going to get gas fee. So on first time coming in, I think you click on this. Then okay, you come down here, you perform this tax, and then I think you have to click on the gas because you have to get gas fee. So you click because they say upon the first gas fee activation, blah blah blah, taking gas will be airdropped to your wallet in 15 minutes for future node reactivation. So this will be done automatically. They'll send you after the first time clicking, they're going to send you gas fee which you use for subsequent activation. So after the first time you click activate here, so then you come down. This is where you get your copy your referral link. These are points you earn from referrals. Get 500 option, inviting friend. Then you perform all these tasks, one-time tasks. Follow us on X, Twitter, join our Telegram group, this Discord, and all that. Some of these tasks takes time to load. That's why mine is still not yet successful. Then social media daily tasks. You will have some here which you have to complete also. I've completed mine, that's why none is showing. So and that, I think that's all. That is just the simple way to position for the airdrop, for takers airdrop. So do not miss out, do not fade. Don't say you were not informed. Register now and join. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video, and I'll also drop the link to my Telegram channel where you can get more updates. So do like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related updates. Anything crypto we discuss on this channel. So thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.